No, Kalyan.
No.
No.
Remaining people, do you have any questions to ask?
No,
No,
sir.
Kalyan. No.
Okay. Okay. Have you done the examples which I have given in the blog?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So you are clear with the event part and how it getting triggered. Okay. The functions, how we can write the functions. So these all are clear, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. So let me launch the Lightning Studio. So we have the JavaScript example one here. Let me create, today's topic is so understanding logical and relational operators. Yesterday, what kind of operations we have done? It's arithmetic operations, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Today we're gonna learn about relational operators and logical operators. Okay. What are relational operators? What are logical operators? How we can use them in the JavaScript, and we'll see the examples of these operators or operations in the JavaScript with the LWC components. Okay. So here in one session, like in one class, we are learning JavaScript as well as LWC. Why JavaScript? The core part of Lightning Web Components is a JavaScript. Hence, we are learning JavaScript. So, but we are examples we are seeing in the LWC components. Okay, we can learn JavaScript outside as well, not using LWC. We can use the terminals. We can use some free coding like a website. So there we can learn the JavaScript. But in terms of Lightning Web Components, why we are learning is to make the understanding clear and to make you understand the relationship or the bond between the Lightning Web Components as well as JavaScript. Okay. So yesterday we have completed the arithmetic operations, and today we will start with the logical and relational operators. First, we'll see the purpose. Then I will just talked about the purpose of learning these logical and relational operators. I mean, in terms of in the JavaScript for LWC. Now let's start. See what are logical operators is. These are the three logical operators. What are they? You can see the screen right now, the presentation slide.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and or not. Okay. These are the three logical operators. What these are, let's see. Then we'll see the practical example. Okay. Now, let's say there is an input. You know the input element, right? You know the input element. You have seen the input element in the yesterday's example. You take one input. Okay. So that input, oh, why it is writing double time? 1 second. Erase all line kind of slide. Now you have the input element. Okay. In the input element, you are entering a value 15. Okay. You are entering the value 15. Now, now, if this number is called number, okay, number. Now, this number, okay, this number num is one variable and it's having a value 15. Okay. Now I'll ask you to check whether the number is odd number and the number is below 15 or below 25. How you'll write in the statements, like a statement, how you'll write? Check number is odd and check the number less than, okay, less than 25. Okay. Now, how many conditions are there here?
Two.
Two conditions.
Two
Okay.
conditions.
Two conditions. These two conditions I want to check at a time. Okay. Now, let me show you. Okay. Not only these operators, whatever you see, right? These operators cannot be used directly, I mean, individually. They have some dependency. This and especially and what is this? What it should check? It should check two conditions. So let us say it should check two conditions. So along with these operators, we need to understand the other operators called. 1 second. This one. What are they? Relational operators. So what is our requirement now? Check a number is odd and check the number is less than 25. Check a number is odd. Any number, 1 second. Any number, okay, any number that is divisible, okay, that is divisible, let's say like this, that is divisible by 2 is a even, is a odd number. Sorry, is a even number, okay. That is not divided by 2 is a, not divided by 2 is a odd number, right? So we have to check one condition, okay. Then you have to write number less than, okay, number less than
25.
25. Now how many conditions are there? Two conditions, right? At a time, if you want to check
Two conditions.
now,
Yes.
you have to tell the system like this. There is a syntax. You have to use if condition. Okay. What you have to use?
If condition.
If condition. What this if condition will do is whatever we write in between, it will check. We'll learn about the conditional statements again. To understand the relational operators and the logical operators, we are taking the help of if statement. Okay. What is if? What is else if? This all we'll learn. But for now, just think that if is a one type of a special statement which performs the condition checks. Okay. Here the conditions are two. What is number? Okay. Percentile. The percentage is not acceptable in the, not acceptable in Salesforce. So, but it is acceptable in the JavaScript. Okay. I mean, in the Apex, it is not acceptable, but in the JavaScript, it is acceptable. Okay. Percentile 2 not equal to, okay, not equal to 0. Then you have to tell the system that and means check these two, check along with this condition, check other condition as well. Number
double equal
25.
less than.
Okay. Then execute whatever I have written. Then I'll write here some value. Result is equals to number is odd and less than 25. Whatever. I can write any number like a message. You know now how to write a message in the functions.
Yeah.
So that only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Else.
Yeah.
Else. Else. Message is equals to number. Okay. Maybe even or maybe greater than 25. Means if this condition is getting false, either we don't know which condition is getting false, either this or this. Okay. Whatever the condition fails, this complete condition will fail, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now once again. Okay. We have and logical operators and relational operators. We are seeing one example which contains these both examples together. Okay. If a number entered in the input is odd number and is less than 25, then I should print one number. If not, one text. If not, the message should be another text. So this is the requirement. To fulfill this requirement, what are the operators I am using now? Here, if you see, This is
And operator.
sorry, this is AND operator, which is a logical operator, right?
Yes,
It is
sir.
a logical operator. AND means it will check this should be true, this should be true. Okay. And I'm using less than symbol, which is a comparison operator, but it is a part of relational operator.
Relation.
Okay. Then one more. This is not equal to. Not equal to is inequality. Not equal. It will check for not equal. Okay. If you write equal to, then it's called equality. It is not equal to inequality. What is this strictly unequal? What is this strictly equality? We'll see later. But for now, just understand this one. Not equal to in the sense that if a number is divided by 2, then the remainder value is not equal to 0. Okay. Not equal to 0. Then it is an odd number. We'll treat it as an odd number. Is this clear till now? We'll see practically now. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Kalyan.
Okay. Now, one second, let me share my screen. Let me undo this one. One second. Where is the code? Let me erase whatever is on the screen. New Lightning Web. One second. Let's start with the new Lightning Web component. So, what are the operators which are discussing now? Logical
Logical operators and relational.
and relational operators. The starting letter of the component name should be small and followed by camel case. Okay. Relational JavaScript example is exposed should be true. CSS file should be included. I can add it in home page, app page, and record page. Okay. Then click on the next. It creates one second. It creates a template, the basic template, which I need to edit it now. So I have already the examples. I have already given you the example to take the input. Where is that? Where is that? The last one, right?
Reminder one.
Not this one. Okay.
No, this is increment, right? I think the last one.
Okay. Did I give you the example? No, right?
No.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Let us discard that one. Let us see in the JavaScript only. I think I haven't shown you that example till now. No need to worry.
Yes. No.
Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Now, let me go to the template. So how should I write? Paragraph. Let me write a lightning card. If I don't write lightning card, what happens?
It will display in a plain.
Yeah. So this is optional, right? Where we'll copy that lightning card from?
From components, lightning component
Or components library. Okay.
library.
Always. So whenever we are developing something, our lightning component should be library should be opened always. Okay. And library. So it helps you to speed up the development. And one more class, what I used to open? One more library?
Buttons.
No. For styling, which library we'll use?
SLDS.
Okay. SLDS. Okay. So from here we'll copy the card, which is a component. Okay. We'll copy basic card. Okay. These are code. Okay. Our card is ready. Then in design system, we can add it anywhere. But what I'll do is I'll remove this one. Just let me add here. T. Message. Where should I write message now? In the JavaScript, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll use the SLDS class here. Class. Oh no. Where should I write a class? Here, right?
In attributes, yes.
Class equals to. I want the text should be center. What should I use?
Align center.
Alignment. It is under utilities.
Alignment.
Under alignment. Okay. Text align. Absolute center. So yes, align center. Or I can go with the text directly here. Okay. In the text also, we'll have alignment. Okay. Text is specially for text alignment. Here the alignment is for the entire component or entire element, any element can be aligned. Here for the text. So I'm going for text alignment. So this is a text alignment. Okay. Now let me write it here. So our answer will be displayed in the center of this lightning card. Okay. I don't want any buttons. For now, I don't want any buttons. Let me comment it. If I use like this, it's like a comment. Means computer will ignore this statement. So HTML is ready. Now let us write the JavaScript. Okay. Let me go to the JavaScript. No, not this one. The JavaScript for this one. Yeah. Now here, what is our logic now? What I should check? If a number, any number, let's say here I'll take the manually number. Okay. Number equals to not from the input because I haven't taught you an input now. I haven't taught you what is lightning input. So let us take num equals to 15. Okay. Message. Okay. Message equals to null, empty, first starting. Okay. Then if condition. What should I write in if condition? One more
If
bracket.
num.
N percentage
Number,
of
Number first.
percentile. Percentile will give you what? It's arithmetic operation. Percentile will give you a remainder. Forward slash will
Remainder.
give you a division, like quotient, you know, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
yes. Yeah.
Okay. So if you divide by percentile 2, then the answer should or not. The answer should not be equal to.
Zero.
Okay. Should
Zero.
not be equal to 0. What error I'm getting?
Yeah.
Null assertions can be. Okay, no problem. Num is less than
25.
25. Okay.
Then
Flower brackets.
Flower bracket. 1 second. message equal to message equals to number check is done. I'll write just done, successful or success.
This dot message.
Sorry.
This dot message.
Yeah. Good. This dot message. Okay. This dot message should.
Yes.
Okay. I'm doing some wrong thing. Let me check it. Num. Okay. I should not come like this. Just give me a minute.
Yeah.
Not so trouble, comma. Where I have been. Now we go to 15. Okay. Number percentage. Number percentile to or number less than 25. Okay, just a minute. Let me cross check. Everything is okay while it is failing. My bad, something I'm missing. I forgot to write in a function, so that caused the issue. No need of this track. Well,
Array.
so just we are writing in a function that today I just missed the writing in a function.
Yes.
Okay. Else. Okay, so this is this dot. Let's write a message. Message equals to empty here. Then this dot message. This dot message. And this is the first condition. And we have to use what? And. Okay, then we have to check for the second condition. This dot number. This dot number. Percentile. To equals not equals to 0. Okay, so this should be the two messages that should be displaying. Now let me enable the button. So this button name is called check condition. Then it should trigger action on click. On click, it should be
Test fun. Test fun.
Yeah. Test
Fun.
Okay, so text fun is my function name that I am using here. Let me save it. Hope this should not create any mess. Yeah, deployment successful. Okay, deployment successful. 1 second. Where is another one? So is that one? Yeah, here this is my home. Let me reload. So what I need to do, I need to add the component here, right? Let me add the component. Edit page. Okay. Now let me add that component. Logical operations here. Let me save it. Okay. So we have saved it. Just let us go back. Here nothing was there. When the check condition is done, check is successful. Okay. If you change the value, like let's say 5 or let's say 45 and save it. Okay. Then what the answer will be?
Failed.
Check is failed, right? So check. Okay. Now getting back to the logic, our main concept is learning the relational operators and logical operators. Okay. Learning the relational operators and the logical operators. So what are relational operators? Which will check the relationship between the two values. So this dot number, whether this one number is less than a particular value 25. So it is checking the relationship between these two. Okay. Now this one, whatever the answer it gives the answer 0. Now that value is checked with this 0 value, if it is true or not. So this relational operators will compare or really find the relationship between the two different values. Okay. This is the use case of the relational operators. What is the use case of AND operator now? What is the use case of AND operator?
Joining both.
Joining both. Okay.
Joining both the statements.
Joining both the statements is the use case of the. Okay. Joining both the statement, not statement. Joining both the checks. Means?
Both the conditions.
Yeah, both the conditions. If this is true and this is true, then only the AND will be true. If anything is failed, the AND will fail. What is the meaning of AND? If I ask, I want a mango and apple, that means I want both. If I just say
Yes.
I want milk or coffee, that means I want any one of them.
Hmm.
Yes or no? Simply, if I use or, that means if anything is true, that's fine for me. But
Yes.
if I use and, if anything is false also, I don't need that one. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes. Clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is about the and or. Let me use or now here. Let me use or. What is or is like this. Sorry, not this. Or. Okay. If this is less than 25, it's fine. Or if this is the odd number, then it's fine. Okay. Let me save it. So 45 is a even number or odd number? Odd number. So this condition is true. But is it less than 25? No. So actually if I use and, then I should get failed. But if I am using or, then what I will get?
Yes.
Success.
Successful.
Because one of the condition is true now. That is enough for this or. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
No, no, Kalyan. Clear as of now.
Clear?
Yeah.
I'll give
Yes.
examples. You have to go through them. Okay. This class is very simple, very easy, but the question, the scenarios will be different. Okay.
Ah.
Let me send the blog for you. Okay. Okay. You have access to my blog, right? I'm unable to copy that. I have unable to copy. Let me send it to you. Okay. We'll meet up in tomorrow's class. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, okay, Kalyan. Did you send the blog
Yes.